The reel of the Royal Scots, an 8x32 bar reel for 3 couples in a 4 couple set. Ones with nearer hand, half turn and twos, twos, ones and threes set, half turn and threes, twos, threes and ones set. Ones followed by threes, dance up, cast off one place, meet, cast up one place, pass by the left shoulder, turn first corners, pass by the right shoulder, turn second corners, pass by the right, back to second place, all circle round and back, ready for the ones to start the dance again from second position. Half turn, set, half turn, set, ones and fours, dance up, cast off, meet, cast up, pass by the left, turn first corner, pass by the right, turn second corner, pass by the right, into third position, circle round and back, ready for the second couple to start the dance again.